Let's face it, the world of cryptocurrencies is exploding, and with that is also growing the number of altcoins. But what are altcoins? Altcoins are cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin, like ethereum, Solana, and Cardano. They share characteristics with Bitcoin, but they are also different in other ways. For example, some altcoins use a different consensus mechanism to produce blocks or validate transactions. According to CoinMarketCap, altcoins accounted for nearly 60% of the total cryptocurrency market in October 2021. Because they are derived from Bitcoin, altcoin price movements tend to mimic Bitcoin's trajectory. Have you noticed that as the price of Bitcoin goes up, altcoin prices go up? And have you also noticed that as the price of Bitcoin goes down, altcoin prices go down? This probably might seem like basic information if you were already in the crypto space, but I think you would like to have a deeper understanding of what exactly is happening with the price volatility of altcoins and why they so closely follow the troughs and peaks of Bitcoin. Bitcoin's oscillations are slightly more stable in their volatility than those of the altcoins that accompany it. In fact, investments in altcoins are more risky, but they give higher rewards than Bitcoin. Looking through a traditional economic lens, Bitcoin and altcoins are viewed in the minds of consumers as complementary goods. Complementary goods are those that have joint demand. This means that the demand for Bitcoin goes in a certain direction, the demand for altcoin goes in the same direction. The same also goes for price, which is directly related to demand. These relationships between goods are also described as cross-price elasticity, because the change in demand of one good is often compared to the change in price of another good. Many of these altcoins are established to be a better version of Bitcoin, faster, more private, with more functions. The price movement should show that these Bitcoin alternatives are substitutes if consumers were really using them as such, but it doesn't. Furthermore, many of these altcoins are not trying to be used like Bitcoin, but are tokens for innovative ways of implementing existing types of business. However, the market shows that they are currently considered similar and serving the same need in the user's minds. If coins are not related to a cash use like Bitcoin at all, their price activity should be different, neither perpetually similar or opposite, since they are providing an unrelated service. Are altcoins worth investing in? The market for altcoins is new. The number of altcoins listed in cryptocurrency markets has rapidly multiplied in the past few years and attracted a lot of retail investors, feverishly betting on their price movements to amass short-term profits. But such investors do not have the capital necessary to generate sufficient market liquidity. Thin markets and an absence of regulation produces quicksilver volatility in altcoin valuation. Consider the case of Ethereum's Ether, which reached its prior peak of $1,300 on 12th of January of 2018. Less than a month later, it was down to $600, and by the year's end, Ether's price had crashed to $90. Yet, the altcoin reached record prices of above $4,000 in October 2020. Timed trades can provide a wealth of profits for traders. For the most part, the altcoin market is driven by speculation. Several cases of dead cryptocurrencies, those that failed to gain enough traction or simply vanished after collecting investors' money, exist. Therefore, the altcoin market is for investors willing to take on the outsized risk of operating in an unregulated and emerging market that is prone to volatility. They should also be able to handle the stress resulting from wild price swings. For such investors, cryptocurrency markets can offer great returns. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. Pros. In terms of technology, they are more advanced as they came after Bitcoin. Even in terms of transaction speeds, many altcoins are superior to Bitcoin. The future of this system and processes are unique, so it offers a wide range of evolution. Some altcoins like Ethereum and Cardano have already gained traction among mainstream institutions, resulting in high valuations. Investors can choose from a wide variety of altcoins that perform different functions in the crypto economy. Cons. Bitcoin is more popular. and has a high market value as compared to altcoins. Investors wouldn't want to invest in something that provides them with lower returns. The prices of altcoins are more volatile as compared to Bitcoin. It is very difficult to choose the right investment and in which altcoin to invest in. The altcoins relatively lack acceptance and exposure from the public. Young investors are not willing to invest in altcoins because Bitcoin's high ROI has already diverted their attention towards it. What will be the future of altcoins? The current state of affairs in the altcoin markets is unlikely to consolidate into a single cryptocurrency. But I think that the majority of altcoins listed in crypto markets will not survive. The altcoin market will coalesce around a bunch of altcoins, those with strong utility and use cases, which will dominate the markets. For investors looking to diversify within crypto markets, altcoins are an inexpensive way to expand their horizons beyond Bitcoin. Rallies into cryptocurrency markets have produced returns that are multiples of those produced by Bitcoin. But there are risks involved in altcoin investing, not least of which is the absence of regulation. The maturation of cryptocurrency markets will likely bring more sophistication and capital into the industry, paving the way for regulation and less volatility. Conclusions. To conclude, these are not financial advice. Before investing in any crypto, you must make your appropriate considerations. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to start investing crypto or stocks, check the description to earn some initial money. Please subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you can never miss a single video. And don't forget to have an amazing rest of your day. Bye.